In this video, I'll show you how to install all-in-one SEO plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins. Click Add a New. Search for All-in-one SEO Pack and then search Plugins. Click Install Now. OK. Click Activate Plugin. You get this message. Click on the admin page. This is where you configure the all-in-one SEO pack. Scroll down. Plugin status. Click Enabled. The next thing to do is filling these fields. Home title, e-cover actions, home description. Create stunning e-covers in just a few clicks without expensive graphic designers. Home keywords, product designs with Photoshop, comma, create stunning e-covers. Scroll down. And update options. See you in the next video.